Wow, I looked at my before and my after, and right through here was just, the wrinkles have really diminished.
Noticeably see my skin glowing, scarring like going away.
I noticed right away that it was really soft and it just brightened up my skin a lot.
Repair, rejuvenate, restore, replenish. Regenerate your skin cells with Laminin and Lamiderm Apex. Now you can activate your skin with the first skincare system based on the science of the LifePharm fertilized avian egg extract. Clinically proven to increase the 3 fibers responsible for keeping skin firm, tight, and smooth by up to 350% in just 3 days. Laminin and Lamiderm Apex reactivate youthful skin cell production below the surface while eliminating fine lines and wrinkles and improving skin's tone and texture above. With active botanical and plant-based ingredients, a hypoallergenic formula that contains no harmful sulfates or additives, the Skin Cell Regeneration System is a high-performance supplement and serum duo that's transforming the face of skincare. Healthy, youthful, radiant skin. Regenerate your skin cells from the inside out and the outside in. LifePharm. Research, science, results.